Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 7 book. Today I will start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is Letter from Assam to Nahen Tea Estate, Assam, 8th December. Dear John, in this letter I propose to tell you how the tea that you know is made from the green leaf plucked in the garden. So his uncle is writing and he will make him understand how the tea is made from the green leaf. When the leaf, after being wet, is brought into the factory, means after wetting they are bringing the tree leaf in the factory. It is taken to large lofts. Here it is spread out on wire racks. So they are spreading on racks and allowed to wither until it becomes soft. So they are making here the green leaf soft when squeezed in the hand. After about 18 hours, when the leaf has withered enough, it is carried away and fed into rolling machine. Is there now? The leaf is going into a rolling machine in which it is pressed down onto moving steel tables. So now the leaf is pressed in the moving steel table. Here the leaf is brisked and cut. This bring out the juice. So now it is being cut and the juice is coming and turns the leaf into a wet sticky mass which has the appearance of mashed seaweed. So now the leaf is turned into a sticky mass, wet sticky mass. The sticky mass is now taken away to a cool dark room. So now the mass is taken to a cool dark room where it is spread out on white tiled beds. So it is spread in a bed. Soon it turns from green to a bright red color. Now its color is changing from green to bright red color and begins to smell rather like crushed apples. It is now ready to be taken to the firing machines. Now it is been passed to the firing machine. The firing machine have moving sets of trays inside them. So there is tray inside them. The leaf is fed in at the top of each machine. So the leaf is, they are spreading the leaf in the top of the machine and the trays pass it down and out at the foot. Hot air is forced over the trays. So there hot air is going inside. This dries the leaf. So the wet leaf is now dries up so that it comes out of the machine as the black tea that you would recognize. So now the tea is coming in black in color. This is called firing the leaf. So this process is called firing the leaf. So we do it twice to make sure that the tea is really dry and crisp. So this method is firing the leaf. They are doing twice, 2 times. Next, the tea is taken away to another room to be shifted. Here it goes through still more machines. So now their tea is taken to a next room and there is also lots of machine there with wire sheaves in them. This time these sort out. So they are sort out the tea into various grades. So they are dividing the tea into various grades, leaving only the finishing touches to be done by Indian women. So now the finishing touch is being given, and who is giving? Indian women with a small hand sheaves. Curious names some of the grades have too. So they are now giving the name also, such as orange, piku, broken and broken, sochang. Tea was first made in China. First time tea was made in China, and some of the old Chinese names are still used. Today also we are using some of the Chinese name for tea. Each grade is stored in a big bin. So they are storing the grade in a big bin container. When the bins are full, the tea is packed into a strong wooden box So they are now packing the tea into a box, wooden box. From my garden, the boxes are taken in a bullock cart to the railway. So from bullock cart, the tea is taken to the railway. Then off they go to Calcutta. So they are going to Calcutta, and from there in steamers all the way to London. And from steamers, the tea is now going to London. In London is the world's largest tea market. So it is largest tea market there called Minching Lang. So the market is called Minching Lang, where all the tea is sold. Here tea is, they are selling the tea. There are different kinds of tea are blended and later made up into packets which you buy from the grocer. So now they are doing the packaging of the tea and sending to the grocer. So you see, the making of a pound of a tea is quite a big business. So they are making the tea, and from that they are earning pound. The next time you drink a cup of tea, try to think of all the people you have helped to make it for you. So when you are drinking the tea next time, you remember the people who have helped to make the tea for you. Think too of those who during the last 100 years have made tea growing one of the important industries in India. So in the last 100 years, tea was an important industry in India. Someday I hope you will be able to visit me and see for yourself all that I have described. So one day you will come and I will show you what I have said, explain you. And now I must hurry off to weigh the leaf. Now he is going to weigh the leaf. Your affectionate Uncle Bob. So Uncle Bob has explained full process of making the tea. So before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Your homework will be, you will write the question answer of this chapter. You will write chapter 4, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number and 5 number. So this question answer you will write in your literature copy.